I want to make this video because I want to show the people, whoever, that if I can fix this drywall, that you can do it yourself as well, because I have no experience, and this is very first time for me to try to fix a big hole on the drywall ever. So they are all the tools that I've bought recently, and that was the old piece that I cut it off. Actually, I really don't need to cut that big hole, but once I started, and then it was already too late. So okay, I decided just go ahead, fix it. So that is the new piece of drywall that I cut. I bought a smaller size drywall since I don't need the bigger piece, so I just cut it the size to fit the hole. So next I'm going to fix the side. The content that I've bought. This next step, I'm going to use this to fill up the side of the drywall, and then I'm going to use the tape. This is the tape that I've bought, and then I'm going to apply another layer of this content and then paint it. I will show you next step after I finish. So once again, this very first time for me to do it all by myself. I'm so excited to see the results. Thank you for watching. Bye.